We are Barb and Terry O'Neill. Join us as we spend our retirement exploring the world. This video will cover our fifth accommodation of this trip, the M Hotel. We had a couple of hours to kill before check-in, so again we went to a spa, had a 90-minute massage. They served an iced tea and mango yogurt. This is the M Hotel, 5 stars on the beach, opened in 2023. This is the lobby. Let's have a look at our room. Barb found the bed a bit firm on the first night, so they did add a topper, which made it comfortable. This is our nightly rate. It did include a buffet breakfast and an afternoon tea each day. As at previous hotels, the buffet breakfast would really carry us through to dinner, so we only had to buy dinners. The water and soda in the minibar was also complimentary. This is the view from our room. The foliage might make you think we're on the ground floor, but we're on the 21st floor. We were given a nice fruit plate and a letter from the management. This is the room for the breakfast buffet and the afternoon tea. It's also a restaurant until 10 p.m. each night. It's on the 3rd floor. This is the tea, coffee, and juice station. They also had Vietnamese iced coffee. Here you have cereal, bacon, sausages. Here are some pastries, some bread for toast, buns. This is the fruit selection. Here's cheese, salads, and there is some sushi. Here they had various Asian dumplings. There were some different rices, sticky rice, white rice, and as always some brown beans. At this station they would make you a beef or a chicken pho, or another noodle dish of the day. And there was also an egg station, bao buns. Some days they would have eggs Benedict available here. Here's a typical mix of what I would choose each day. The afternoon tea was nice to grab a light snack. They'd have fruit, some baking, and one hot item. This day it was spring rolls. The afternoon tea ran from 2 to 4 o'clock each day. There are 2 rooftop pools on the 28th floor. This one is at the front of the building and overlooks the beach. This is the view looking towards the north. And this is the south view. The second pool runs from the back of the hotel overlooking the city and along the north side. If you enjoy these videos, like and subscribe. The hotel also had a small gym on the 27th floor and a spa. To rent these beach chairs on Mian Beach is 40,000 dong each, which is $2.11 Canadian, and you could stay there all day and order drinks from them at reasonable prices. This time of year the waves are bigger than when I was here in September. It does attract surfers. But it was fun to swim in, and the water is shallow for a long ways out, so there are lifeguards on duty for designated swim areas. That's it for this video on the M Hotel, but we will have more coming soon of the area. Thank you for watching.